Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you 2012 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.